Use your current skills to make it big on YouTube. Many aspiring content creators face a common problem. What should their videos be about? They often believe that successful videos must be shocking, groundbreaking, or expensive. However, that's not the case.
No! No!
Viewers are increasingly drawn to ordinary people showcasing their daily lives, hobbies, or work. Your seemingly boring routine might be fascinating to someone elsewhere in the world, and this can be as simple as showing people how to hammer a nail or how to remove a stuck screw. Really. In short, whatever your skills, there's an audience eager to watch you in action. So why not record videos and showcase your talents to the world? Why is this idea genius? Here are 6 reasons why you should try making this type of video. Number 1. No need for new skills or scripts. You're already engaging in these activities. All you need is a camera or smartphone to record what you're doing anyways. No extra investments required. Number 2. It's a proven concept.
It works like magic.
People love watching skilled professionals or ordinary people at work. Seeing a project unfold keeps viewers glued for hours, leading to high ad revenue. Number 3. This content is evergreen. Skills remain valuable year after year. Watching a time-lapse of house or garden renovations remains mesmerizing for years, ensuring returning viewers and continuous audience growth. Number 4. This can be a full-time career.
So my largest source of income was from ad revenue.
Many professionals now earn significantly more from YouTube ad revenue than from their actual jobs. Number 5. It's perfect for a series. Larger projects can be divided into multiple videos, keeping your audience engaged over time. This reduces pressure on you as a content creator. Number 6. No commentary or voiceover is needed. These videos can be instructional, but it's not necessary. Many people simply want to relax and watch. They don't necessarily aim to acquire a new skill. Let's fire up some examples. Before we start with the examples, please subscribe to our channel in case you like this video. Thank you. Woodworking is the perfect example. Spending days at your wood shop? Great. People love watching raw wood turn into real products, from simple wooden balls to complex wood epoxy tables, drawing millions of views. It doesn't have to be a full-blown project either. DIY enthusiasts are eager for woodworking hacks and tips. Show your favorites, add tool reviews, and you have a winning combination. Renovations work great too. Houses, gardens, backyards, furniture, toys, anything really. People adore watching these transformations, making excellent series. Both videos and time-lapse sequences work wonders. Just to give you an idea on what's possible, this Irish guy documented his tiny house renovation on YouTube, making close to $60,000 in ad revenue, essentially paying for the renovation. On to the next one. Gardening is really trending now, with rising food costs and inflation. Most people don't seek super advanced advice either. They simply want to plant tomatoes and grow herbs. Have some experience with that? Cool. Share it with the world. Living in the countryside or into homesteading. City people love experiencing it through your videos. Show them how to grow food, raise animals, and make products. You might even inspire a change in their lives. DIY, or do-it-yourself, is a popular category on its own. People are eager to see what you can create, even if it's a one-time project like a fire pit, shed, terrace, barn, or pool. There's always someone looking for advice on similar projects. Remember, documenting your project is essential. Take the Bama Bass channel, for instance. Initially focused on fishing, they documented building a large bass pond, turning it into their most popular video series with millions of views. If you're a full-throttle DIY fanatic, even better. Produce a series, give advice, and share your experiences. You could even turn your past construction plans into digital products to sell. Let's not forget tools. We all use them, right? Share your knowledge. Even simple tutorials like sharpening a pencil can work wonders. A video like that reached 500,000 views on YouTube. Create videos on using a knife, hammer, pulling a screw, or drilling a clean hole. Remember, not everyone knows how to do it. Even these straightforward tutorials can gain hundreds of thousands of views. Still not convinced? Now, let's address your concerns. You may think these examples require expensive equipment and advanced skills you lack, but here is another example to put your mind at ease. Meet Tim the Lawnmower Man. Tim reshaped overgrown backyards for years as his profession. And to be honest, it really isn't rocket science, and a basic string trimmer won't break your bank either. 2 years ago, he started recording the process, and thousands watched along. Today, he offers his services for free, thanks to YouTube ad revenue sufficiently covering his efforts.
You get a free cleanup, my viewers get a video to watch, and hopefully I get paid through the video.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you.
You might think that these examples mostly cater to men, but think again. Countless females are also into home renovations, DIY projects, or woodworking, and some even use their female qualities to attract more viewers. Don't overthink, just start. Let's get one thing straight. You won't master video creation right away, no matter how long you plan. So don't aim for perfection from day one. Identify your skills and get going. Imperfections don't matter. There must be something you're good at. You never know what will resonate with the audience. Even a simple idea can be a hit. Like this home cooks video making scrambled eggs, which has collected 24 million views. Who knows? Some of your videos might go viral too. You just have to start. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more content ideas. See you soon.